Mara, so how do you keep your kids entertained at home and on a budget? Chisa Penix Brown of Lady Business is here to show us quick and easy arts and crafts ideas that she got right from Pinterest. Good to see you.
Thank you. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Yes.
So these are some really quick and easy ways that we can keep the little ones busy.
Definitely. So between the rain and school getting ready to get out, we wanted to give you some ideas. So social media is not just for business. You can use it for personal too. So what I did was I used some washi tape. And very inexpensive, about $2–3 a roll, depending on, you know, the fanciness that you get.
Gotcha.
And then you can cover up so many different things. So what I did was I took a little notebook. Kids need ideas. They like to draw. Yeah. Something small that you can keep inside of your pocketbook, and then this way they'll have it, you know, with them. Little things, so if you're going to be using books and you're reading during the summertime, a little bookmark. And this was simple, made with the side of a card. And you just cover it up, and then this way you can have everything where you need to have it. You know, so it just makes it easy.
Very cool, very cool. And you got these ideas from Pinterest?
Pinterest, yes.
Yeah, I hear all about it. I hear not a lot of guys are on there.
It is 95% female.
Yeah,
so, you know, but guys are on there too. And what's great is that sometimes you can go to other sites and find out about other blogs. You can also find out if you want to buy certain things because it'll let you click through to make purchases too.
So his daddies need to get on there to get some of these great ideas as well.
Yes, definitely. So just find something that you want to cover up. Even if you have two kids and they were fighting over things, you can easily distinguish whose is whose if you go ahead and you change the color of the tape.
Real quick, how much does all this cost, you think? Or do you remember?
Oh, these are only probably about $2 or $3 a piece.
$2 or $3
so as much as you want to spend, and then if you want to personalize it, get some markers, and then you can go ahead and write on it as long as it's light enough. So it just depends on what you want to do, and it's very easy to use. So if you're talking about $10, and you can have a variety of colors and cover up some of the things you already have.
Gotcha, and especially with the bookmarks, and that opens up the doors of, you know, encouraging to read more as well. So they actually find good use for all these things.
Very easy. So then all you got to do, because it's going to leave a little space right there, and you just go ahead and put it where you need to go, and boom, you can see exactly where you're at.
Right there in your very own book.
It definitely does. Yeah, use it for that.
The 90-day focus plan. There you go. Well, it's good to see you as always. And you always have great advice. We do appreciate it so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, good to see you.
All right, you guys, who loves up